Titiro, look, here comes Tamanui te rā. Mōrena, Mr. Sun. Mōrena, Pāpā Rākau. Kia ora, my name is Kōkā. Here in the forest with me, the 5 Patupaiarehe. Let's go and meet them. Time to wake up, Tākaro Tribe. What are you up to today, Takaro Tribe?
It's very hot, Kōkā. We're too hot to play.
Staying in the shade is very sensible, all.
Ooh, my puku is flashing.
O Pāpā Rākau tēnei.
Kia ora, Pāpā Rākau.
Kia ora, Is everyone there?
Aye.
Me ētahi. Me too.
Ngā mihi, Tākaro Tribe. You too, Wao. You're very special.
Ngā mihi e pā.
The weather's very hot, Tākaro Tribe. Would you like to cool down?
We would.
Our friend Taraute, Trout, is trapped deep in the ngahere. Will you help him, Tākaro Tribe?
Aye, Pāpā Rākau.
Come to me and I'll tell you what you need to do. But you must visit Kōkā first.
Ka pai. Let's go see Kōkā.
Kia ora, Ngāti Tākaro.
Kia ora, Kōkā. We're going to help Taraute, Trout. Taraute is trapped in the forest.
When you go to the forest today, pay attention to the different trees.
What's special about trees, Kōkā?
Trees provide us with shade on hot days like today. Different trees provide forest birds with different foods and a place to build their nest.
Wow!
Now you need to go to Pāpā Rākau.
Ka pai, Kōkā.
Amariki mā, noho mai, ki aku kakiaka, whakarongo mai, ki ngā kōrero, o te ao marama. Aue.
Tākaro Tribe. You've arrived.
Kia ora, Pāpā Rākau.
Our friend Taraute is trying to swim up a river to where she was born, but the stream is blocked. Will you help her?
Hi, Pāpā Rākau. Small problem, Pāpā Rākau. How do we get there?
Pooh will take you. She won't be long.
Yay!
What did Kōkā tell you?
She said we should pay attention to the different Rakau trees.
The ngahere is full of Rakau trees. Shall I tell you about them?
Aye, Pāpā Rākau.
Let's take a look. Rakau trees start as small seeds. Some grow into huge Rakau like Rima and Kauri. Others not so big, But they all offer shelter and food to the many creatures of Tāne.
Oh! Whoa!
Kōriake! Out of the way!
Whoa! Sorry, my friends. The wind was a bit too strong. All aboard, Tākaro Tribe!
Don't forget your recycling bags.
Aye!
Ah, you can collect pepper, paper.
Aye!
You collect the krahe, glass.
Aye!
You're on kena, cans. Or you collect parakai, waste food. And the plastics.
Ka pai, Pāpā Rākau. It's time for our karakia. E te wānei e hora nei, tēnei te Māori ka whakapiki, ko te Māori o ngā tamariki a tāne māhuta. Te Māori ka puta ki te whaiau, ki te ao mārama. Haumie, huie, taiki e!
Watch out for a blocked stream in the forest, Pooh.
Ka pai! Piki mai Ngāti Tākaro, ko haere tātou.
E noho rā, Pāpā Rākau!
There's the ngahere.
Yay! Ira, look! I can see lots of Rakau, trees.
Can you see anything else?
I can see an awa, stream. Oh, Taraute could be there.
Backpacks off so we can collect rubbish.
Hey, I've got some glass. I found an ipu kiriho, a plastic container.
That's not the right bag.
Yay! Got it right this time.
Tākaro Tribe, can you see Taraute, Trout?
She wants to return up the awa, but the way is blocked. How can we help her?
Wait! Kōkā just texted. She sent the word of the day. It's in the kete.
Where's the kitty?
There, on that toka rock.
Ra, a, k, a, u. Rakau. Rakau.
Rakau is the word of the day.
But how does that help, Taraute? Ira, look! There's something blocking the stream! Oh no! A great tree has fallen!
Ooh, my puku is flashing.
Pāpā Rākau tēnei.
Kia ora, Pāpā Rākau.
I am here to help you. Wow! Turn around so I can see the fallen Rakau. This is my great-grandfather. He has stood here for the longest time. We honor you, great-grandfather, who sheltered and fed the many creatures of Tāne year after year for hundreds of years. Now we can help Taraute. Dig a channel for Taraute around great-grandfather Rākau's branches.
Mama Moa can help dig! The way is clear, Taraute. You can go home now. Thank you, Mama Moa. Thank you, Pāpā Rākau. Thank you, Wao. Thank you, everyone. We have to go home now. hands are dirty. Let's wash them.
Kia ora Tākaro Tribe. By working together, mahi tahi, we all helped Taraute get home.
Yay!
Shall we look at what our friends have been up to today?
Rakau. 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 Rakau.
Kia ora Tākaro Tribe. Did you have a good day?
We helped Taraute get back to her home.
Very good. Let's take another look at what you did today. You flew with Pooh to find a stream in the forest. You met Trout. He couldn't get home because a huge tree had fallen into the stream. The fallen tree was Pāpā Rākau's great-grandfather. He was thanked for sheltering and feeding so many creatures for hundreds of years. Māmā Moa helped you dig a new channel so Taraute could get back home. And you learned a new word. Ra-a-ka-a-u. Rakau. Rakau. Now that was a beautiful day. What a fun day, Tākaro Tribe. Time to say goodnight. Pō Māori e. Good night, Tākaro Tribe.
Oroia tō mata, parai he hia o niho.